Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. It's Margaret here from M.E.s Orchids, and I've just taken a lower leaf off this Phragmipedium grande, and you can see where the roots are fairly high in the media. Can you see? Now, those are far too high. They've got to be put deeper into the pot. Now, I'm just going to swing you around if I can. And, come here. There we go. And you see new roots starting there. So I thought to myself, well, should I repot it? But I had only checked this last month. And I thought, well, I'll go and get some of the Orchids bark, some of the bark that I've washed to reuse. And so we're back over here now. And I've kept the reused bark in this bubble wrap here and just left it in the garage, but the news is not so good, because the first thing is the smell. The second thing, look at the colour, and you see now it's not so much on the Orchid bark, but I think that's Orchid bark. Can you see? Can you see all that now? So all that is, to me, is breaking down. Well, it will break down, let's put it that way. And it's everywhere. Look at that. Absolutely everywhere. Now, as a YouTube lady who puts videos, we're not here just to show off and show our blooms and our achievements. We're also here to show our mistakes. And now some of this bark I boiled, and a lot of comments said, oh, no, you shouldn't boil it, it'll break down the wood. So I baked it, some of it. And baking it just made it like crisps, like a bag of crisps. The bark was crispy. So I did prefer to boil it. So I can't think how long it's been stored now. It's, as far as I was concerned, to all intents and purposes, this was completely dry. But when you look now, it couldn't have been completely dry, because virtually all of it is affected. So we always show our failures as well as our triumphs, just to make people aware that I've tried this. It's not saying that you shouldn't try it, this method to reuse bark, but the first indicator, of course, was the change in smell as I opened that bag. So I just thought it's a very quick video, but I wanted to make you all aware, just in case. So what I'm going to do now with this Phragmipedium grande, I'm going to get some fresh Orchid bark, and I'm just going to put it around the top of the roots, and then it'll need to be watered. So from me to you, take care. Bye-bye now.